Hi, I'm here presenting my demo of BSmart or Brave Website Academy. So I have cloned the Git repository here under the BSmart folder, and from the Git bash I'm just navigating to that folder. Now I'm starting my uh, website, node site. So I'll write node app.js and this will start node site. Okay, site is started. Now I can go back and I can do this localhost, and this is going to load the site. And here, like, I have updated logo, other this content is updated. I have added the Twitter, integrated with Twitter. This shows like popular events which I have created, and quick contact, event page, and all that. This is the home page actually. Then in calendar I have provided this option, like all the program events shows like this in red color, and all other kinds of events shows like this in different color. Yeah. On the sponsor page I just put the dummy data, provided a way to show logos or images from the sponsors, and also you can have the sponsor listing over here. Then on your donate page, here is donate page look like. You click here and it opens up the new page. And from here it can be, so these details needs to be updated. About us page, I have updated the image for Brave Academy. I have updated the mission statement. I have updated vision statement. On contact page, it is showing up now map, provided way to contact and contact information, and this is an email address. We can add the we can add in future the phone numbers and all that. So let me contact, like this is how I can contact Sheikh. Email is sheikh123@gmail.com. Subject: want to know more about program. I am interested in program. Please let me know more details. So before I add this, let me pull the RoboMongo, which is my MongoDB. This is in cloud. I created an account on the Mongo Lab, and they provided me account. I can connect to these collections, and you can see like these are like various collections: contacts, events, registration, user profile. In contacts, if you look at here, right now I have 5 documents in it. Once I submit this one, you'll see the acknowledgement: your contact is registered successfully. We'll contact as soon as we can, and eventually that message goes away. If I go back here and refresh my document collection, and you'll see the 6th one added here, and I am interested in program this, and what are details I have added. Created at time, it takes automatically. Status I have introduced as a new. Okay, so let me go back. That was the contact thing, and similarly, like if somebody wants, I'm on the home page, I just wanted to contact, I can just directly come here and say like, okay, this is my name, test and test@email.com, and please call me back on this number. and submit. So here also it shows like we'll contact you very soon, but that is short message, and that also goes away eventually. If you come here and if I refresh it, you can see 7th collection is added and it shows the message which we added, and the subject line is standard in this case, which is quick contact. Alright, so about sponsor calendars. So on calendars, if you look at the week view, so this is how it shows in on the week view. It shows the timing and all that. On the day view, it doesn't show because I don't have any event added for day. But if I navigate to back the yesterday's day, it shows like this. Okay, but how I can add the events, and that's where the security comes in, because on the calendar I'm not logged in user and it doesn't show me any create event button over here. So let me log in into the site, so I can click sign in. I can enter my user ID password and I can say sign in. So this says I'm signing successfully because that user word exists. I can go to the calendar and now it started showing me the create event button. So here I can click and it provides them a way for editing or adding the details on the event. So I can say like this is my event. Category would be, I have added this program as a category meeting and conference call. So if I create a conference call, it comes like this. I can add this test. Just this is my conference call event test, location Nashville, Tennessee, and this is the way, like initially I had the only one calendar date to select. Now here I can enter the date, time, and create the schedule. So let's say I want to create a schedule. I can just come here 30 let's say 30th today date, 10 o'clock 10 a.m. For 2 hours I want to create an event, and then next week on this date at 10 o'clock 2 hours, and then after that for Friday the 14th I want to create an 1 hour event. Right. So this is how I can create a schedule. I can select an image. I can go to the pictures and let me take lighthouse. I added the event picture. I provided details, and before that I can just come here and events. Currently I have 3 events. Let me create this one, and event is created successfully. So if I come here, it shows like 4th one is added in the database, and these are all the details about the that event. And here is the schedule. Event schedule shows like duration, time, duration, time, duration, time. Now I just wanted to see like the event which I added, how does it look like. So I can go back to the calendar, and if you look at here, this is the today's event which I added. This shows on 30th, and then on the 6th, and then on the Friday for 1 hour. So if I click here, it shows me event name, type of event, Nashville, Tennessee, and schedule. From here I can either go on the register online and register for this event, or I can download the form and just print it out and fill it up. So that's how I have provided way to download a form. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Register online and can provide the details. This is pretty long form, but it works, and I can complete registration online here. And come back here. All these things I have added. I can create an event, and let's say this is program event program category I choose a program, and this is program conducted tomorrow. This is the program planned for tomorrow. Sorry. Yeah. Location Swang Center, Lipscomb. University, Nashville, Tennessee, and it is 1-day program. Tomorrow starts at 8 o'clock, and it will be like 8-hour program, and that's the schedule. Select an image, and I can say okay, penguins. I will take that as penguins. I can choose any image you want, and I can say like create, and this event is created. If I go back to the calendar, since this is the program event, it started showing up in the red, and if I click here, I come back to this, and it shows me whatever it is, the details about the event. I can navigate from here to various events, popular events. I can go back here, I can click here, and I can navigate to the events, quick access to the events. If I just look at the week view, and here you can see like the program starts at this and it completes at here, and that is how it is the event creation facility is provided. So it shows like number of hours, starts and ends when, and it shows like this. And since I am signed in, it shows my name here, and I think that's pretty much I have completed.